Hi, my name is Sarah. What's your name?
Hi Sarah, my name is John.
Nice to meet you, John. Where are you from?
I'm from New York City. How about you?
I'm from Los Angeles.
That's cool. How do you like living in Louisiana?
I love it. The weather is great. And there's always something to do.
Yeah, I've been to LA a few times. And I really enjoyed it. What do you like to do? For fun?
I like to go to the beach, hike in the mountains, and try out new restaurants.
Those all sound like fun activities. I like to play basketball and read books in my free time.
Oh, that's cool. What kind of books do you like to read?
I like to read science fiction and fantasy books. What about you?
I enjoy reading mysteries and thrillers.
Nice. Do you have any recommendations?
Yeah, I just finished reading The Silent Patient by Alex Michaelides. It was really good.
I'll have to check it out. Thanks for the recommendation.
No problem. It was nice chatting with you, John.
Same here, Sarah. Have a good day.
Hi there. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm looking for a birthday present for my sister. She loves jewelry. Do you have any recommendations?
Sure, we have a wide selection of jewelry here. What's your budget?
I'm looking to spend around $50.
Great. We have some nice necklaces and bracelets in that price range. Let me show you a few options.
That would be great, thank you.
Here's a necklace that's really popular right now. It's made of sterling silver and has a small pendant with a diamond.
That looks really nice. How much is it?
It's $45.
That's perfect. I'll take it.
Reed, I'll ring you up at the register. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's all. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great day. Hey, how's it going?
Not too bad. Thanks for asking. How about you?
I'm doing pretty well. What have you been up to lately?
Not much, just working and hanging out at home. I've been watching a lot of TV shows and movies.
Nice. Any recommendations?
Yeah, I just finished watching Squid Game on Netflix. It's really good. You should check it out.
Oh, I've heard about that one. I'll definitely give it a watch. Anything else?
I also watched The Matrix Resurrections in the cinema. It was pretty cool.
I haven't seen that yet, but I'm looking forward to it. What did you think of it?
It was different from the original trilogy, but I still enjoyed it. The special effects were really impressive.
Sounds great. Let me know if you want to catch up and watch something together.
Sure thing. That sounds like a plan.
So, how's your job going?
It's been busy, but good. I've been working on a new project. That's been keeping me occupied. How about you?
Same here. Work has been pretty hectic, but it's been good to stay productive.
That's good to hear. Have you made any plans for the weekend?
Not yet. I'm still figuring out what to do. How about you?
I was thinking of going on a hike. Or maybe trying out a new restaurant. Would you like to join me?
That sounds like a lot of fun. I'm up for either of those options. Let's plan something for Saturday.